An initial public offering or IPO is when a company sells its shares to the public for the first time. This process allows the company to raise money from investors. In return, investors get a piece of ownership in the company. Before an IPO, a company is private, meaning its shares are not available to the general public. IPOs are a big deal because they can help a company grow. The money raised can be used for various purposes, like expanding the business, paying off debt, or funding new projects. For investors, an IPO is a chance to invest in a company at the beginning of its public journey. This can be exciting because it offers the potential for high returns. However, investing in an IPO also comes with risks. Since the company is new to the public market, its stock price can be very volatile. This means it can go up or down quickly. It's important for investors to do their homework before buying shares in an IPO. In summary, an IPO is a significant event for both the company and investors. It marks the company's transition from private to public and offers new investment opportunities. LuLu Group International, known for its chain of hypermarkets and retail companies, is planning an IPO. This is big news, especially in the Middle East. LuLu is a well-known brand with a strong presence in the retail sector. Its IPO is expected to attract a lot of attention from investors. The significance of LuLu's IPO lies in its potential impact on the market. LuLu is a major player in the retail industry, and its IPO could set a precedent for other companies in the region. This could lead to more IPOs in the future, boosting the local stock market. For LuLu, the IPO is a way to raise capital. This money can be used to expand its operations, open new stores, and improve its services. This could lead to increased revenue and growth for the company. For investors, the IPO is an opportunity to invest in a well-established company with a strong track record. In addition, LuLu's IPO could bring more transparency to the company. Being a public company means LuLu will have to disclose more information about its financials and operations. This can help build trust with investors and the public. Subscribing to LuLu's IPO on ADX is straightforward. First, you need a trading account with a brokerage firm registered with ADX. Open an account by providing basic information and documents. Subscribe to the IPO through your broker. Fill out an application form with share details. Read the prospectus carefully. Transfer funds to your brokerage account. Wait for the allocation results. If successful, you will receive the shares. If not, your money will be refunded. Knowing the important dates and deadlines is crucial. Missing a deadline can mean missing out. For LuLu's IPO, here are the key dates. The subscription period opens on November 1st, 2024. It closes on November 10th, 2024. Results will be announced on November 15th, 2024. Trading starts on November 20th, 2024. Section 5. Potential returns from investing in LuLu. Investing in an IPO can be a great way to earn returns. LuLu's IPO is no exception. As a leading retail company, LuLu has a strong market presence and a loyal customer base. This can translate into steady revenue and profits, which can benefit investors. One of the main reasons investors are excited about LuLu's IPO is the company's growth potential. LuLu has plans to expand its operations, both locally and internationally. This could lead to increased sales and higher profits. As the company grows, the value of its shares could increase, providing investors with capital gains. In addition to potential capital gains, LuLu may also offer dividends to its shareholders. Dividends are a portion of the company's profits that are paid out to shareholders. This can provide a steady income stream for investors. However, it's important to remember that investing in an IPO is not without risks. The stock price can be volatile, especially in the early days of trading. It's important to do your research and consider your risk tolerance before investing. Section 6. Risks of investing in LuLu. While the potential returns from investing in LuLu's IPO can be attractive, there are also risks to consider. One of the main risks is market volatility. The stock price can fluctuate significantly, especially in the early days of trading. This can result in potential losses for investors. Another risk is related to the company's performance. While LuLu has a strong track record, there is no guarantee that it will continue to perform well in the future. Factors like changes in consumer preferences, competition, and economic conditions can impact the company's performance and, in turn, its stock price. Investing in an IPO also involves the risk of limited information. As a new public company, LuLu may not have a long history of financial disclosures. This can make it difficult for investors to assess the company's true value and potential. Finally, there is the risk of dilution. If LuLu issues more shares in the future, the value of existing shares could be diluted. This means that each share would represent a smaller ownership stake in the company. Section 7, Summary of Key Points. In this essay, we have explored the various aspects of LuLu's IPO. We started by explaining what an IPO is and why it is important. An IPO allows a company to raise money by selling shares to the public. For investors, it offers a chance to invest in a company at the beginning of its public journey. We then discussed the significance of LuLu's IPO. As a leading retail company, LuLu's IPO is expected to attract a lot of attention. It could set a precedent for other companies in the region and bring more transparency to the market. Next, we explained how to subscribe to LuLu's IPO on the ADX. The process involves setting up a brokerage account, filling out an application form, and transferring funds. We also listed the important dates and deadlines to keep in mind. We then discussed the potential returns from investing in LuLu. The company's growth potential and plans for expansion could lead to increased sales and higher profits. However, we also highlighted the risks involved, including market volatility, company performance, limited information, and dilution. Section 8, Final Thoughts. LuLu's IPO presents a unique investment opportunity. As a well-established retail company with a strong market presence, LuLu has the potential to deliver significant returns to investors. However, it's important to approach this investment with caution. While the potential rewards are attractive, the risks cannot be ignored. Before investing, make sure to do your research and consider your risk tolerance. Read the prospectus carefully and understand the company's business model and growth plans. Keep track of the important dates and deadlines to ensure you don't miss out on the opportunity to subscribe. In conclusion, LuLu's IPO is an exciting event in the financial market. It offers a chance to invest in a leading retail company and potentially earn attractive returns. However, like any investment, it's important to weigh the risks and make informed decisions. Happy investing!